Understand that an evil individual will always come back. But the reason they come back is not for the reason that you are hoping for. See, when you have a good heart, even when you have seen someone or witnessed someone be ugly to you, treat you poorly, something in you still wants to believe that they can come to a place of finally seeing the light. However, there is no light in these individuals. They're full of darkness. They come back to finish you off. They come back to punish you for having called them out in the first place, for having seen right through them. They don't like that. An evil individual has taken into consideration the things that you said, the thing that was the last straw. They've taken into account all of that, and probably even watching your social media posts. They know exactly what you're hoping for, what you're looking for. They remember all of the things that you told them were problematic. So now they're going to come back, not stopping that bad behavior, but they're going to hide it in a different way. It's going to be more covert. And that's what makes it so annihilating to your soul, to your emotions, is that you wouldn't dream that a person would do all of that work to come back just to hurt you even worse than they did the first time. They did not see the light. They're coming to see if they can finish you off, because it's not good enough for them to leave you in a place where you still have joy, where you can still find happiness beyond them. They want to leave you so depleted that you're not good for anyone, you're not good for yourself, because they are operating under the schemes of demonic forces and the enemy himself. Do not underestimate an evil person that will try to spin the block. I hope that makes sense.